You're watching Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Yes, another recipe today in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV. Yes, this is what I'll be doing here today. Yes, these are some slabs of steak. Yes, some beef, slabs of beef. So I'll be roasting this in the oven here today. Alright, so here are all my ingredients over here. I have bell peppers to my right, carrot to the center, onions over to the left, I have garlic, hot pepper and thyme, tomatoes, and green onion scallion, and assorted all this. Yes. So, without further ado, let me get this beef all seasoned up, meat's all seasoned up, and get it ready for the oven. You're watching Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So I'm going to put in some sea salt on the beef. Yes. So that's my sea salt. Garlic, onion, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Yes, that's it. That's simple. That's easy. So first I'm going to put my garlic. So that's my garlic. Alright, now I'm going to put cayenne pepper. That's easy recipe for doing that. No hack. And the oven will do the job for you. You'll have to stand up, wait for this stuff. Alright, so this is the black pepper. Alright, so that's all the powder seasoning. Alright, so now I'm going to rub it in. I'm going to take the meat. Stay here like this. Then I'm going to saute some of the seasoning, the vegetables, the garlic, the onions. I'm going to saute that and the tomatoes and spread it over beef. So let me know. The beef in. Spread it over on the beef. Yes, spread it onto the beef. You're watching Winston Gel Cooking. Next, we're going to get tomatoes. Alright, I'm going to put some hot pepper. lot of the seeds. Seeds are very hot. One portion of the time. Alright, so now I'm going to add all the onions, both red and white. By sauteing it in the oil, I'm able to get the flavor of the onions, combine tomatoes and garlic and hot pepper in the oil. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discover TV on YouTube. Let it stay a little bit longer, and then I will remove it, and then use it to baste the beef, and then get it into the oven. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm going to put some thyme leaves on the steak. I won't be turning the beef. Yes, I won't be turning it. Alright, so now I'm going to bring, alright, so pour it out. Just going to spread it out. Spread it out over the beef. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so I'm going to put a few bell peppers in here. Garnishment, and I will save the rest for last. Yes, save the rest for last. And you are watching Winston Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. So now it's ready to go into the oven. It's ready to go into the oven. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform.